Welcome to Skincare TV.
Kids and adult people common problem for asthma disease, cough, sphagit, cold, rhinitis etc. Use the portable mini asthma inhaler nebulizer. Feature: quiet treatment for asthma disease, cough, sphagit, cold, rhinitis etc. 2 airflow speed control, for kids and adult. Compact and portable design. Suitable for all ages people. AC/DC adapter included. Specification: portable nebulizer. 1. Frequency, 2.0 MHz. 2. Particle size, half a micrometer to 5 micrometers. 3. Maximum net capacity, 10 milliliters. 4. Nebulizer capacity, 25 milliliters. 5. Average nebulization rate, 0.4 milliliters per minute. 6. Working voltage, 12 volts DC. 7. Power consumption, 6. 8. Input voltage, 110 voltage to 240 voltage. Mini Asthma Inhaler Nebulizer, 1880 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Please subscribe me.